Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Cozy for collecting rental applications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Cozy for collecting rental applications, first, navigate to the Cozy website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Cozy. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is confirmed, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to the Cozy dashboard. Here, select the option for Rental Applications from the sidebar menu. To set up your rental property, click on the Add Property button. Fill in the required details for your property, such as the address and description. After entering the property information, click Save to continue. Now that your property is set up, navigate back to the Rental Applications section. Click on the Collect Applications button associated with your property. Customize your application by modifying any existing questions or adding new ones as needed. Once you are satisfied with the application form, click on Publish to make it available to prospective tenants. Cozy will then provide you with a unique link to your rental application. Share this link through email or your preferred messaging platform to reach potential applicants. As applicants start submitting their applications, you can monitor their progress directly on your dashboard. Remember to review each application carefully and reach out to candidates as necessary. With these steps, you are now equipped to use Cozy for collecting rental applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.